For masala industries, we supply canopy tents with our marketing team. Our marketing team will create more sales and publicity to your masala and spices. Whatever the logos, product photos, everything we print on this tent. And my team will go to the complete supermarkets, shopping areas, and colonies. They will display this tent and they will sell your product. We generate new customers, new sales for your product. Even masalas or spicy or any other business, not a matter. We create extraordinary sales. Nowadays, people are interested to buy products on the roadside. If you put on the roadside this tent, you can create extraordinary sales. Just call us 9246372692 for any type of marketing products and tents.